Welcome back where the adventure begins. Make sure to like and subscribe and fish on. What's going on, guys? So in today's adventure we're out here in Grand Haven. Gonna go chasing some salmon today. We're out here with Zach.
Good morning.
He's getting the boat set up for us. This is my first time not doing this on an actual charter and going with a buddy fishing for salmon out on Lake Michigan. So we're hoping to get into some fish today, get some footage for you guys, and just have a good time out here today. Waiting for the sun to come up, getting this nice boat here set up. Zach's got a nice boat, perfect for catching these salmon. So we'll catch you guys here in a little bit when we're out on the water. Tight lines. Coming up to the mouth, guys. Get ready to hear some drag screaming with some salmon on. Pumped. Probably can't see much of anything because I can't see either. We got the GPS over here going. We got Zach, he knows right where he's going. That way. We're cruising out though. We'll be out shortly. Once the sun comes up, get some better footage. Pretty smooth ride out though. We're in the big waters now, fellas. There we go. You can see what I'm showing you.
Fish. That's good.
Says he's marking fish. We're gonna get stuff set up and we'll be back.
You got a clipper this far one? Shit, I should put some carpet back in this bunker. Real quick so that he doesn't get it.
Oh yeah.
Does it still feel like he's there?
Not really.
It doesn't look like it anymore. Oh, yeah, there he is. 20 keep the heat on him. Once you get up here so close, I'm going to have you back up. Yep. Damn, dude.
Damn.
That was rough.
Yeah, it was.
It's a big one though.
Oh yeah.
Woo! Yes.
I was way up as high as I can hold that thing. You got a club in here?
I do. Kind of. What I use is a club anyway.
Yeah, that's a tighty dude. Oh yeah.
Sun's not even up. That's a good mature king too. Good thing he was fucking hooked.
Oh yeah.
Might fuck up on the... How are you, buddy?
Check it out, guys, before the sun's even up. It's pretty sweet. Beautiful king right there. It's awesome. Fish on. Little struggle there in the dark trying to get him. He kept diving on us. What color was that one on?
A green and white. I think it's called Sundew.
Green and white, guys. You're good. Just showing everybody here. Starting to get a little sun out here. It's dark down by that water though. Sun's coming up for us now. Got the rods out. Waiting for these salmon to grab on. See if I can show you guys. Check out that view. That's what we're looking at right now with you guys. Sun's coming up over Lake Michigan. Gotta be about breakfast time for these fish. Water's actually not too bad out here today either. So far yet.
Lake Michigan.
Yeah, for Lake Michigan. Pretty calm. I can give you guys the full perspective here. Guess we can kind of capture some of it. What was our speed when we got that first one on?
Oh, 2.5.
2.5.
Oh, there's some good marks.
Yeah, guys, we're running pretty much, I believe Zach said 30 to 50 foot deep. Crazy too when you're trolling how fast things can turn, like
Absolutely.
it just
Take that pond of fish.
yep. Bang, bang. Oh crap.
Like I said, it's like playing slot. You never know.
Yep.
Once we go, and then we go. I know where all the extra boats.
Yep, me too. I'm glad I brought my bed.
No matter how warm it is on shore, whatever the water temperature is on Lake Michigan, that's the temperature.
What is the water temperature?
44.
Water temperature is 44 degrees, guys. Looks like we're running about 2.5, 2.6. We're over 82 foot of water. We're fishing.
About 100, 110, see what's out there. On top
Which one's your marker button on there?
Mark.
Okay, with the check?
Yeah.
Oh, it says marked on it. Okay.
Yeah.
I can hit it.
We don't get pipe. So I'll drop on it down towards the bottom. Lake trail.
Oh, okay. Is that where the Lakers hanging out? Right here's our conditions. You can kind of see. Maybe. guys, they didn't make it easy on us. We ended up with 2 kings today, thanks to Zach here.
Not enough.
Not enough though. Well, we'll be back and we'll get them next time. Thanks for watching today, and you guys have a great day and fish on.